Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps, which are right here under the sounds and vibration. Let's tap. Now let's tap on see all 67 apps, of course 67 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences, and here, as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically it is a set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.